As put by Investopedia, financial literacy is the confluence of financial, credit, and debt management knowledge that is necessary to make financially responsible decisions, choices that are integral to our everyday lives. It is not part of the curriculum or taught at school, and as a result, financial literacy knowledge is deficient, particularly among young adults. Being financially literate can be the difference between someone who cycles through multiple credit cards, maxing out the rewards and cardholder perks of each, maximising the 0% fee periods and keeping their credit utilisation score low to help build a stronger credit score, and then someone who has a rapidly growing and unmanageable credit card debt on one card. Financial literacy can be the difference between someone who is in their 40s or 50s and are financially independent, being able to do what they want when they want, compared with someone who aged 60 are still living paycheck to paycheck, unable to take time off work. Financial literacy is critical. It has a profound impact on people's mental health and ability to provide for their futures. This YouTube channel aims to discuss various financial topics, talk about and simplify investing for the long term, and hopefully build on and improve awareness and knowledge for financial literacy.